So I guarantee you guys that this video is going to be the easiest video you will ever watch on how to start selling ebooks. So if you're a person who's interested in tapping into the digital income and selling ebooks, then this video is going to be the perfect video for you. So in this video, I'm going to make selling and creating an ebook so easy that a kid could do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys know, here on my channel, I create absolutely free videos that's going to help you grow and excel your online businesses. Also here on my channel, we get straight into the video. So let's do it. First step to selling and creating an ebook is going to be to choose a subject for your ebook. This is literally the first thing you have to do. Choose a subject for your ebook. Make sure it's on a subject that you are highly knowledgeable about. Like for me, for instance, that's why I literally created this YouTube channel. I'm really good at owning a business, at starting a business, at being an influencer, at getting PR packages, making money as an influencer, at growing on social media. I could even do ebooks about marriages or being a stay-at-home mom. I can do an ebook, like it's literally never ending. So anything that you are better at than the average person, you can create an ebook on that subject. So the second step to creating an ebook and publishing an ebook is going to be to create an outline for your ebook. So first you have the title, second you are going to need the outline. Once you have come up with a title for your book, you're going to need an outline. The outline is going to explain everything that is written in your book. Outline could also be chapters. So for instance, let's say I have an ebook about starting an online business, which I actually do, linked in the description. So in this course, you would number the chapters or number the outline. Chapter 1, how to form your business. Chapter 2, how to figure out the niche for your online business. Chapter 3, finding the product for your online business. Chapter 4, how to create a website for your online business. Chapter 5, how to launch your online business. Chapter 6, extra tips to excel at your online business. You get what I'm saying? So when the person goes to purchase your ebook, you guys understand what I'm trying to say? Everything is nicely outlined and it's just not everything thrown together in one chapter. It has to be like a literal book. Step 3 to publishing and selling your own ebooks is going to be to actually go ahead and write out your ebook. So once you have figured out your title and your chapters, this is going to make everything so much easier for you to actually write according to each chapter. You want to go ahead and write the entire book. You can even use ChatGPT to help you out with writing your ebook. But once your ebook is finished, the only thing you have to do is get it spell checked. If you want to, that's what I did. I took the extra step to having somebody professionally spell check it. Once your ebook is spell checked, then you want to head over to Etsy and you want to purchase a ebook template. So you don't want your ebook to just be on a sheet on like Google Docs or anything like that. You want a ebook template. You want a book template. Like you want your ebook to look like it's very well put together because you're going to be charging people for this. So go on Etsy and buy a ebook template. They can go for as low as $4, you guys. Once you get that, it's most likely going to be a Canva download. Once you download the ebook template, then the only thing you have to do is copy and paste your words and kind of tweak it to your brand and your aesthetic. And then you also want to go ahead and get a professional ebook cover. You can work directly with a graphic designer, or you can also go ahead and purchase a ebook cover template off of Etsy. Literally, you guys, for this, Etsy is going to be your best bet. Because again, you want your ebook to look professional and you don't want like a crappy ebook cover of like a picture of yourself that's not even professionally done up. I mean, I've seen people do that, but to me, it's more professional if you have a professional ebook cover. And that is literally the 3 steps that you need to take to publish an ebook. You guys, don't overthink the process. You might think that people are doing this, are hiring people and paying thousands of dollars to get ebook published. And no, it's not that difficult. I've literally dropped ebooks the same day I've written them. You're not supposed to overthink it, you guys. Just don't overthink it. Like I said, buy the templates for the ebook, buy the templates for the cover, and you are lit. You can even have people in Fiverr write the book for you if you wanted to. Like, this process is not as hard as it may seem. It's very, very easy. And the most difficult step might be, like, if you're not already selling products, you might have a hard time trying to figure out where to actually put your ebooks and to actually sell them. So you can put ebooks on Etsy. If you do have a website, you can put them on your website and just include a downloadable link. They have like lead pages and funnels. There are so many different ways and platforms that can host your ebook. They also have Gumroad, which a lot of people tend to use, especially like for ebooks and services. So yeah, I'm gonna link everything in the description for you guys. If you guys are interested and you're looking to sell ebooks, I'm gonna have all the platforms. I'll even include some ebook templates and covers for you guys in the description as well. So like I said, literally watching this video, anybody can launch a ebook. Even if you're a child, like, this video is pretty straightforward. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, this is the easiest video that you guys will ever watch for launching an ebook, and it's just that simple. I'm not making things seem like easy. No, that's just how simple it is. The hardest part is to actually write the ebook and make it sound good, and of course the proof, reading it to make sure everything is spelled and worded correctly. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know the video was super short, but I bet it was super sweet. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, you guys, so you will never miss one of my videos. Again, my content is absolutely free, you guys. I'm putting out free courses and free videos to help you guys to create more income, because people need more money right now, and I'm just here to give you guys ideas and try to help you guys along with that process. Share this video to a friend who might find this helpful. Again, you can sell ebooks on whatever type of knowledge that you have. Credit building, like taking off inquiries on your credit, marriages, moms, like health, dieting, fitness, whatever you're good at, you can sell an ebook about it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on Wednesday's video. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye guys.